it's Ronan. You know my little scenario that I keep speaking about where I'm walking in a town and there's a group of musicians and they said, hey, you play accordion? Come join us. And I don't know the context or the genre, but I'm listening and they say, hey, the song is in such and such key. This is like my dream scenario. It happened. It happened last weekend at the Cathedral Accordion Festival, and I have the video footage that was recorded by Sasha and uploaded to YouTube, and I wanted to walk you through that. So again, I was there so I could let you know what happened. The organizers had an opening song. It was an improvisation using didgeridoo, accordion, guitar, upright bass, and percussion. And they said, hey, Ronan, why don't you join us? Incredible. At first, a little bit of nervousness. I don't read sheet music, and I don't think there is sheet music for the song. And they said there are just 5 or so notes, and it's in the key of B flat. I know B flat. B flat. I know how to do a B flat. And the notes are the notes of the B flat. And we're adding the C and the G. And they said, you'll get it. And so we went up on stage and I'll play the track and we'll commentate. And again, what I want you to pay attention to, you know these 5 notes. Don't play the incorrect notes. Any instrument, we can play those notes on. I know how to play it on this. You know how to play it. The idea here is how we play those notes, how we fit into the whole. It's more about listening and creating a soundscape with texture more than coming in. I'm not going to come in and play a B flat, ooh, pa, B flat, ooh, pa. That's a good way to not be invited again. You want to listen, and it's more about what's not being played. It's the notes that we're omitting. It's leaving space for the didgeridoo. It's listening to what the guitar player's doing and maybe echoing that. It's becoming part of the whole. Good, with that out of the way, let's listen. It should come out of my speaker. I'll share my screen. There's a recording of the entire concert. I'll link it in the description and in the video. This is just the didgeridoo song. Didgeridoo is an instrument that is being blown. It's an indigenous instrument, I believe from Australia. Let's listen and I'll walk you through what happened. So again, the stage is dark. We've come out on stage, put on the accordion. Karina, one of the organizers, is going to do some overtone singing where she's singing multiple tones in the key of B flat, and we'll start supporting her. Let's listen. I'm supporting her with pa-da-da. The notes that I was given. B flat, G, F. Walter Martella, an accordion. Starting to drone. Terry on percussion. Da, 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 da. We have a rhythm. Watch that. I'm listening a lot. I'm looking at what Walter's doing. Karina is doing the overtone singing. Everyone is looking around and very actively listening to see what's happening. We have the rhythm. Right? Someone's doing that. Might be me. Someone's doing those types of ideas. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum. There's that groove. If I had a recorder, I'm a recorder player. Boyd on upright bass, doing that bowing of B flat. Oh, whoa. There's the didge. Ba 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 ba. So it's coming up with 3 to 4 to 5 note fills that support, that become a part of the whole, right? It's up here. It stands out. If I'm not sure, I might play down here. Am I gonna choose this sound? Right? It's that texture. What am I adding to the whole? I heard a little bit of guitar. They're not coming in blazing. They're also adding to this texture, to this whole. So it helps to know your instrument. And again, we just have 5 notes to choose from. How are we gonna arrange 3 or 4 of those notes? And Steven. Notice what they're not doing. Steven's just sitting there, his foot is on the volume pedal, just adding to that texture. Just 1 or 2 notes. Budge, the entire time we were there, he's noodling, connecting notes. What way? So that when he's invited for a B flat little jam, he's tasteful. This is a lifetime of learning where, you're given 3 minutes to make a beautiful texture. Just listen to that subtle guitar. It's an accordion pedal. I'm not sure who's doing that. It could be me, probably Walter, adding that G flat, that G sharp, that A flat, that bluesy note. As soon as Walter did that, I think it'll open the gate to another note. And again, I'm following. It's not my song. I don't know where the song is going. And so during that, songs go up and down, and we go with them. It's like waves. During that down part, sure, I could have come in and done a bit too major. But I didn't know if it was my turn to solo, and so I was waiting for Walter, and then I came in. No one? Didge? Walter comes in. This lets everyone else know, okay, we can come in. Harry is a great percussionist, beautiful person to play with. And the entire time, it's grooving. We're bringing it down. So here, as we bring it down, am I gonna come in and do this? No, it's like a very subtle, probably. Right? Could be that, could be this. I don't know, but again, knowledge of your instrument, and just, there's no sheet music. It's becoming part of the whole, it's creating that texture. See, my right arm is doing a little bit of emphasis, bellows. That was it. This was part of the Cassette Accordion Festival that happened the first weekend of May. I believe it's going to happen next year as well. You'll watch my other video about going there. This doesn't work for all songs. Obviously, there are songs that are very melody-driven, where you need to play the right notes at the right time with the right chords. But when we're a part of a whole, when we're creating something and you're invited, listen, become part of the whole. And again, it's just as important, the things you don't play as the things that you do play. And like always, correct notes count, but how you play them counts for just as much. I'll leave a link. I encourage you to watch the entire thing. Thank you again for Sasha for filming and arranging this entire video. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy.